much, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try to learn from other people's mistakes here. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and share all this information. That way you guys don't have to look like a fool, and we'll let these people look like the fool for us. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and get started. This one, I went on Car Hacks again. They make some cool videos there. Good learning experiences. Kind of makes fun of people a little bit. Here we go. Oh, come on, young man. I think the laws of physics, he should have totally got out the way of that. Dang it. They got you, kid. They got you. Oh, what do we got here? That's a messed up muffler. Now, you don't want nothing to do with that. You probably gonna have to weld that sucker. That'll start messing with your engine and all that bad stuff. So you don't want to do what they did and leave that. You definitely want to get that fixed. Now this one, this guy looks like he got new brakes put on, but it looks like he did them himself. So he's going to check to see if the emergency brake works good after he got done checking his brakes. So let's take a look. Now that was like some techno beat right there, but I don't think he did that right. Some of them new cars got like electronic e-brakes on them. They're hard to do. What a nightmare. All right, we got us a BMW here. Nice whips, definitely nice to see what they got going under the hood. Let's see if we want to do what they're doing. No, we definitely don't want to do what they were doing. That was more like a sprinkler car right there. Oh my goodness, what is that? That actually looked like motor oil coming out the top. I hope y'all got some Dawn to clean that up, because that's what you're gonna need. All right, let's see what's next. Oof, that was nasty.
Yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Injector's stuck.
Okay, so this guy's injector is stuck. These are the parts that go over your engine, and then they'll add fuel to go in there to make the explosion go off. So your injectors sit on the top, and they get bolted onto the top. Well, he's saying his don't come out. What I'm thinking is he probably left a bolt or two out. That's what's happening. But he's gonna use a car to check.
Lifting up with the hoist.
Car hoist.
Here we go.
He's hiding in the back over there. He want nothing to do with it.
Oh.
Now if it's that tight, you should probably go double look for some bolts that are probably loose, but not completely off. You got to be missing something. I don't think it would get melted in there like that. Let's see if he gets it. Oh Jesus.
Oh, I don't like the angle of that. Oh.
Brutal. Well, they took care of that problem. That's probably going to cost them more than just the injector at that point. That's not a good deal there. You don't want to do what they're doing. That was definitely slipping on that one. Just look for the bolts. All right, look at this. Anyone ever drove one of them box trucks around? Well, it looks like homeboy didn't check the clearance. He still made it through the tunnel, dragging that the whole way. Anybody can go get one of them, so if you want to go get a big old massive haul truck just to be cool, you can go get one right now and rent them. But watch out for the bridges you go on. You might be stuck under one. Or you better make sure you got insurance when you get it. You never know if you're going to get in some trouble. All right, what we got here is a company truck. Oh, yeah. That's definitely a company truck. Probably got caught up, went through a concrete pour, drove over it, made it through it, and then they decided to not go get it cleaned up and drove all the way back to the yard, which is probably an hour away. And who knows, maybe at that point they had enough and just left. But all that concrete is underneath this cab, underneath this car. Underneath this truck here, check it out. That's all concrete under there. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Bottomed out in some 6-inch concrete pad with your car. Hey, I made it out. Let's go. Keep going. Woo. I ain't gonna go clean it or nothing. Homie's got an impact gun. An impact gun. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe. I mean, seriously, you do not want to do this, but you can definitely say, I've seen that before. What's this guy got? Oh, he's turning his lights on and off, and it's fluctuating his engine RPM. That's an electric short. You don't want nothing to do with that. And whatever he's doing, clicking it back and forth, that's not helping. So you don't want to do what he's doing right there. You should probably get that to an electrician. Let him take a look at it. But how you gonna turn your lights on and the whole car dim unless you got 50 lights? Boom, boom, boom. Otherwise, that ain't happening. Poor guy. Oh! How to destroy an engine in 15 seconds, huh? I think we've seen that before. All you gotta do is floor a car, really. But it looks like we got the timing belt here. Looks like they tried to set their timing belt, and you have to literally set your timing belt or it'll send the pistons in the wrong directions and it'll fall apart. So let's see if they do it. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh! That was pretty quick. Yep, that was the timing belt. And once that goes, that's a lot of money to get them replaced. But if you don't know what you're doing with the timing belt, don't even try. And it looks like you do not want to be doing what those people were doing. That would have been a bad idea. Holy macaroni. All right, what do we got here? This is a loose belt. Look at that thing flopping. Oh my God. See, that's why you got to subscribe. We got videos too that'll show you how to get that tight. Or there's also a little pulley. That thing gets bad and then you can replace that. The old school ones got a either your alternator or some kind of a pump or something that'll be able to move and then you tighten it down. But the new ones is just a wrench. Tighten them, loosen them, but that is way too sloppy. You better go check that out. So don't do what they're doing. You don't want to be driving down the road with that because you might get stuck on the road with that. Whoa. All right, he's going to go ahead and put this bad boy in. That is like might be some Loctite to make sure them bolts don't come out. So that's good stuff. Let's see what he's doing. Oh, he thinks he's the Tin Man. That boy thought he was the Tin Man. You don't need to be doing what he's doing. Let's see. Let's see. Look at the Tin Man hand. Nah, we're good. You don't need to be doing that. You don't need to do what he's doing. I mean, he's just being a damn fool. Who's next? That thing sounds like a dang TIE fighter coming by. Man, you don't want to do what they're doing. That car is not running good. That sounds more like power steering, maybe transmission. Ooh, that not good. Not good at all. All right, let's see if we got any more popping up. Oh damn. Look at that stereo. You guys don't ever do what this guy's doing. Y'all like that carbon fiber tape around there? Not even one tape. Let's just put like 8 of them up on there. You know what I'm doing? Don't do what these guys are doing, you guys. Let's see what this is all about. Oh, it's fake all the way around. Y'all should have known that was gonna be fake, right? All right, there's a couple videos on not what to do. You don't want to do none of that stuff. You want to make sure you're on top of your game, checking all your stuff, and stay alert. That's what's key out there. So you guys, make sure you like and subscribe and pass this information on, and we will see you in the next video. We out of here.